Welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. I am Katrina, and this is Katrina's Prices Home Life and More. In today's video, it's all about the outdoor planting flowers and vegetables. So you know what to do. Just keep watching.
You have washed me over and over again. You are making me new. Full of mercy, you are.
So you already know I'm looking up because Mom is giving me instructions from the porch. It's about 6 o'clock in the afternoon, so the weather outside feels amazing. So Mom and I came outside to plant some flowers, and we found these two tall 32-inch flower pots from Lowe's. And because they are so deep, we have to come up with a way not to use that much soil. So I started looking around the ranch and remembered I had a pile of broken blocks because, my dad was sort of a collector of things. And I started using those. If you know, you know, Mom was not going to let me do this project all by myself. She had to step in. If you're new here, I am Katrina, and I am a sister, a daughter, a servant, and a pastor. And on my channel, well, it's a lifestyle channel, so I share my love of home decor, cleaning, cooking, vlogs, and shopping hauls. And that lady right there, well, that's Mama, and she's my unofficial co-host. If this is content that interests you, you know what I want you to do. I want you to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell twice and join my priceless family. So we started this garden, I think it was the last part of March. And we're growing zucchini, cucumbers, yellow corn, collard greens, bell peppers, and tomatoes. I think that's it. But we have a few things that they're looking pretty good so far. And as soon as I can get my in-ground garden prepared, we'll be looking to add some more vegetables to this spring gardening season. So thanks again for stopping by the channel to see what I'm doing here on the Johnson Ranch. And of course, I'll give you updates on our fruits, vegetables, and the flowers we planted. Until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video. Now videos are posted on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more sprinkle in between for your viewing pleasure. Again, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. And if you're interested in container gardening, here's the video to my Container Gardening 2023. See you next time.